In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Forms. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is where all of your existing forms are listed. From the Microsoft Forms homepage, locate and click the sample form tile. In this walkthrough, the form is called Spring Workshop RSVP, so go ahead and click on it now. After you click, the form editor will open up, and you'll see your sample question already visible on the screen. Next, we need to open the response sharing panel so we can grab the link. To do this, look toward the upper right corner of the form editor and click the Collect Responses button. Once you click it, the Send and Collect Responses panel will slide open, showing you the response audience settings along with the sharing options for your form. Now it's time to set the response audience so the right people can fill it out. Under the section labeled Who Can Respond, click the drop-down and choose Anyone Can Respond. Selecting this option makes the respondent link open for anyone who receives it, meaning they don't need a Microsoft account to submit their answers. With the audience set, we'll move on to shortening and copying the form links so it's easier to share. Inside the Collect Responses panel, look near the link field and check the box labeled Shorten URL. This will trim the long web address into a much cleaner, more manageable version that's easier to paste anywhere. Now click the Copy Link button positioned right next to the link field. As soon as you click it, the respondent share link is copied to your clipboard and ready to go. From here, you can paste it into an email message, a chat conversation, a document, or any other place where people need to open the form and submit their response. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And with that, you successfully shared your Microsoft form using the Share Link Copy method. Your respondents can now click the link, view your questions, and send back their answers without any extra steps. Congratulations on getting your form set up and ready for collecting responses from your audience.